Ito ang latest chika for today mga mosa. Nako, parang may hindi tayo alam na may nangyari na off-cam kina Donay Pangilinan Bel Mariano. It's a different kind of tea now. Engaged na ba sila? Ito, panoorin nyo ang video. Parang may nangyayari na talaga.
Veteran, sabi ni Bel, veteran na raw. Ay, nahiya naman ako sa'yo, Philip. I deserve to spend more time with my family, my loved ones. And, loved ones, no. I guess, grow more as well. And, at the end of the travel, busy and blessed. Ang isa pang B,